Be careful. Crazy. Woo! Carmen has taken a plunge in the Arctic Ocean. Woo!
Alright, so it is 5 p.m. Supposedly 40 degrees, but let me tell you, there's pebbles and there's several drop-offs. Did not look graceful. Once you get in the water, it's freezing. Very salty. And before I could even get all the way down to dip my head under, I was like, I can't feel my feet. I gotta get out of this water because I won't be able to come back up those drop-offs. But you know what I can say now? I have been in the Arctic Ocean. Whew. Bucket list. Can you stop that for me? I can't feel my feet. The way they have their building design. Look, even underneath that, it seems to be up on some sort of pylons. North Slope Police Department. You can almost see the words on it.